India's ruling Bharatiya Janata Party has come out guns blazing against leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, over his recent remarks during his private visit to USA, accusing him of tarnishing the image of the country. In a pot shot at the Congress leader, BJP leader and Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan said going out of the country and tarnishing the country's image is a crime like treason. No patriot can do this, and added that Gandhi seems to be frustrated with Congress losing for the third time in a row and is venting his frustration out in America by spoiling the country's image. In his remarks, Rahul Gandhi had alleged the recent Lok Sabha election were not fair and were fairly controlled in favor of PM Modi's BJP. He alleged Election Commission was doing what the Prime Minister was dictating and added if the elections would have been fair, the BJP would have scored even less than 240 seats.
अपने देश की आलोचना दूसरे देश में जाके करना ये किसी देशभक्त का काम नहीं हो सकता। लगातार पराजय के कारण हताश, निराश और कुंठित राहुल अपनी कुंठा विदेश में जाकर निकाल रहे हैं। वो नेता प्रतिपक्ष है और नेता प्रतिपक्ष की भी जवाबदेही बनती है। अटल जी नेता प्रतिपक्ष थे, नरसिम्हा राव जी प्रधानमंत्री थे, तो अटल जी ने नेतृत्व किया था देश का। अब राहुल गांधी सिवाय देश को बदनाम करने का दूसरा काम नहीं कर रहे।
The Saffron Party has also attacked Gandhi over his remarks on Sikhs and said the leader of opposition is trying to incite people who live outside the country and making statements without any basis. Speaking at an event in Virginia, Rahul Gandhi said the fight in India is about whether a Sikh be allowed to wear turban, kara or go to Gurdwara. Lashing out over these remarks, Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri said Gandhi is spreading a dangerous narrative and added this is part of a more sinister agenda. Puri said the incumbent government has gone out of its way to address issues concerning the Sikhs and added in contrast there was an insecurity among the community during the Congress rule, a reference to 1984 anti-Sikh riots. However, the main opposition Congress party has defended the Science remark, saying Gandhi has only highlighted injustice in the country.